Life is full of surprises. Not all of them are good. Unexpected events like a sudden job loss or medical emergency can derail even the most carefully crafted budget. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It acts as a financial cushion. Having one provides peace of mind. This allows you to navigate unforeseen circumstances without falling into debt. Think of your emergency fund as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when life throws unexpected expenses your way. These unexpected events can range from car repairs and home maintenance to medical bills and temporary job loss. Without an emergency fund, you might find yourself relying on credit cards or loans, which can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to break free from. An emergency fund is not about getting rich quick. It's about ensuring financial stability and security. It's about having the financial freedom to face unexpected challenges without derailing your long-term financial goals. Building this fund is a crucial step towards achieving financial wellness. By setting aside funds specifically for emergencies, you can avoid making rash financial decisions when faced with unexpected expenses. This proactive approach allows you to maintain control over your finances, even during challenging times. Remember, building a solid financial foundation starts with preparing for the unexpected. An emergency fund is a separate bank account specifically for unexpected expenses. These are not your everyday expenses. This is money you can access quickly when the unexpected occurs. The amount in your emergency fund will vary depending on your individual circumstances. Consider your monthly expenses, factor in your dependents, and think about job security. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. Keep your emergency fund separate. It should be apart from your everyday checking account. This separation makes it less tempting to spend and ensures the money is there when needed. Remember, this fund is for emergencies only. Avoid dipping into it for non-essential purchases. Discipline is key to building and maintaining a healthy emergency fund. By treating it as a financial safety net, you can weather unexpected storms with greater confidence. Life is unpredictable. Emergencies happen when we least expect them. Having an emergency fund is not just a financial strategy, it is a necessity. It provides a safety net and helps you navigate life's uncertainties. Imagine this. Your car breaks down and the repair costs $1,500. Without an emergency fund, you face difficult choices. Do you put the repairs on a high-interest credit card? Do you delay necessary car repairs, jeopardizing your ability to get to work? These situations can lead to stress and financial strain. An emergency fund provides peace of mind. You know you can handle unexpected expenses. This reduces financial stress and allows you to make clear-headed decisions. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Start building your emergency fund today. Your future self will thank you. Small, consistent contributions add up over time. Start with a manageable amount and gradually increase your savings as your budget allows. Imagine losing your job unexpectedly. Job loss is a stressful event. It impacts your finances. An emergency fund provides a financial buffer. This buffer allows you to cover your bills while you focus on finding new employment. Medical emergencies can happen to anyone. Even with health insurance, out-of-pocket expenses can be significant. An emergency fund helps cover these costs, allowing you to focus on your recovery without being burdened by medical debt. Home and car repairs are inevitable. These costs can be significant, but an emergency fund prevents you from going into debt for these repairs. It keeps your home and car in good working order. These are just a few examples of how an emergency fund can help you navigate life's unexpected events. By having a financial cushion, you can face these challenges with greater confidence and resilience. The first step is determining your target emergency fund amount. A common guideline is 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. First, calculate your essential monthly expenses, which should include rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Now, multiply this amount by the number of months you want to cover. This calculation gives you your target emergency fund goal. At first glance, this number may seem daunting, but remember, you don't need to save it all at once. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Remember, every little bit counts. It's important to set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. This approach makes the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Consider your individual circumstances too. If you have dependents or an unstable income, you might want to aim for the higher end of the range. The more financial security you have, the less you need in your emergency fund. Adjust your savings goal accordingly. Let's dive into practical steps to build your emergency fund. Start by tracking your spending. Identify areas where you can cut back. Redirect those funds towards your emergency fund. Remember, even small savings add up over time. Consistency is key. Consider a side hustle or gig work. Use the extra income to boost your emergency fund savings. Explore freelance opportunities, online surveys, or part-time jobs. These can provide a supplemental income stream. Sell unwanted items around your house. Declutter and earn extra cash. Online marketplaces and consignment shops offer convenient ways to sell gently used items. Make saving automatic. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking to your savings account. This ensures you're consistently contributing to your emergency fund. It takes the effort out of saving. Moving on to automating your savings. Paying yourself first. Treat your emergency fund as a non-negotiable expense. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer. Have a specific amount transferred from your checking to your savings account each month. This approach ensures consistent contributions. You won't even miss the money. Automating your savings takes the willpower out of saving. It makes it a regular part of your financial routine. Choose a high-yield savings account. This will maximize your interest earnings. Shop around for the best interest rates. Even small differences in interest can add up over time. Remember, building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial security. Once you've built your emergency fund, resist the urge to tap into it for non-emergencies. Maintain discipline. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Stick to your budget. This ensures your fund remains intact. Replenish your emergency fund after using it. Emergencies happen. That's what the fund is for. Once the emergency has passed, prioritize replenishing your savings. This restores your financial safety net. Review and adjust your emergency fund periodically. Life changes. Your financial needs evolve. Evaluate your emergency fund annually. Adjust the amount based on your current circumstances. By following these strategies, you can maintain a healthy emergency fund. This provides ongoing financial security and peace of mind. Having a well-funded emergency fund provides invaluable peace of mind. Knowing you can handle unexpected expenses reduces financial stress. It empowers you to make sound financial decisions. A robust emergency fund allows you to focus on your long-term financial goals. With a safety net in place, you can confidently invest. You can work towards achieving your financial aspirations. Building an emergency fund is a testament to your financial responsibility. It demonstrates your commitment to securing your financial future. It allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with greater resilience. Start building your emergency fund today. Experience the peace of mind that comes from being financially prepared. It's an investment in yourself and your financial well-being.